Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a pack with me for the beach. We are headed to the Outer Banks tomorrow for just a quick short 3-day stay. My sister's boyfriend owns a beach house in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, and we are going to join his parents and just stay there for a few days. It's gonna be really short and sweet because I do leave for Miami Swim Week next week, so it's like gonna be really quick turnaround time. You know, we're staying till Monday, I'll be home Tuesday, leave again Wednesday. But I figured I would just show you guys what I'm bringing. I just literally dumped every single swimsuit I own out on the ground, and I'm going to sift through and pick out a few that I want to bring with me. This is just gonna be a really all over the place video, but a lot of you guys have asked for what to bring to the beach, so that's what I'm giving you today. Here we go. I'm gonna try my best to show you guys everything on so that you can see what I'm packing. Starting off with this little butterfly suit from Shein, super cute. I'm definitely gonna bring this guy. I'm trying to go for suits that are a little more family friendly in the bottom half coverage, just because I am gonna be with my parents, but I really like this one. This one's also from Shein. It's got like a cute little blue and white floral print. I also really like this guy. This one is from Cupshe, and it's super supportive in the top, and the bottoms fit me beautifully. I usually don't go for something with like any kind of slit, and I try to stay away from like tie side bikini bottoms when I'm actually at the beach. But I don't know, I really like the fit of this. I think it's a great color on, so I'm definitely gonna bring this one. Definitely bringing this one. This one I just got, it's from Shein. I love the color, and I like the little ring details. I'm only gonna need 3 suits, but I always bring more than that just in case. Some bikinis I'll just take photos in, and other times, like say, for instance, I wore this on the first day, and then I got a little too much sun. The second day, I'll probably go for something with a thicker strap just to kind of cover it up so that I don't get burnt. And so I like to bring a couple of different styles just you know, in case the day of I'm like, I don't know if I really want that, or maybe I'm just not feeling super confident. So definitely gonna bring this one with. All right, and then last but not least, I'm also gonna bring this one. This is also from Shein. You're probably like, Mackenzie, all these look the same, or like remotely similar. Yes, that is true. I like to try to stick with the same tan line on the same trip so that I just don't end up with a bunch of funky lines, and just so that I don't burn over top of stuff, you know, things like that. So here we go. And then I'm also gonna bring this one piece from Aerie. I've had this forever and I've never taken a photo in it, and I just really want to. The back of it is like really low and it's a little bit cheekier. This is strictly gonna be a photo bathing suit. Maybe I'll wear it with a pair of shorts over top or something. Definitely not gonna wear this to the beach, but I just wanna bring it and finally take the photo that I've been envisioning in it. Okay, here is the swimsuit lineup. I also just pulled this hat from my closet. This is super old from TJ Maxx. I love a floppy hat so that my scalp doesn't get burnt and I can keep some sun off my face. I've had that for years, so I'm gonna bring that. And then I also have this little blue linen romper that just came from Princess Polly. I really like it, and I think that I'm just gonna wear this as a cover up. It goes with a lot of those suits. I typically just walk to the beach like with nothing on, just my suit, but I'll bring it just in case. I think it might be cute for a photo too. All right, I pulled a bunch of options off my clothing rack and a couple of other items. Like, I definitely need to take a photo for White Fox while I'm gone and a photo for Princess Polly. Those need to go up on Instagram while I am away, and I'm hoping to do like some sort of, not Outer Banks travel guide because this is gonna be such a short trip, but just like a mini beach vacation lookbook. So I'm gonna probably bring 5 outfits, even though I won't actually wear all of them. But I'm about to go live on Instagram. You guys love doing pack with me's. In reality, I could easily figure these outfits out on my own, but you guys love this so much, and it's a really good way to interact. So about to go live. If you don't follow me on Instagram already, follow me here. It's Style by MCKENZ, and I post tons of like live time Instagram photos, stories, things like that. So, you know, if you want to get a little more personal, you can follow me over there. And it's also where I link all of the items that you'll see throughout this video. So here we go, going live, checking connection. Hello everybody, welcome. We are doing another pack with me, shocker. It's really the only time I go live nowadays, it feels like. But we're gonna do a quick little rundown of everything I'm bringing with me to the beach, what I'm packing, all that jazz. So, I'm gonna start off by sharing which swimsuits I'm gonna be bringing with me. I actually just tried them all on one by one. All right, this White Fox set is definitely gonna be what I wear in the car tomorrow. I think I'm gonna bring this Windsor top and these white shorts with a pair of gold lace-up sandals. I'm on live right now and people are helping me choose my outfits. Basically, I just try on things that I think look good together and then they tell me if it looks like terrible or not, so. Yeah, I absolutely love this two-piece set. This white set is from Shein. My little straw shoes are Dolce Vita. And then this straw bag, I love anything white, and that shows off my tan lines at the end of the day. So this is a win. Def bringing this little like palm print tropical set from Windsor. Again with the same straw shoes, and then I'll probably bring some sort of statement earring to go with. Alright, next outfit. This is a Princess Polly romper I just got today. Literally love it. Same gold lace-up sandals. Cute for dinner. Here is everything laid out. It looks like a lot, but at the same time, I'd rather have, you know, options. And like I said, I am planning on shooting some kind of like little outfit guide while I'm there. So that's the plan. Today I am bringing my carry-on size suitcase. Usually I would just bring my hunter duffel to the beach, especially for such a short trip, but I already have like underwear, socks, hot tools, all that kind of stuff in here for my last trip because I got home from Chicago a day ago and have yet to unpack. Like I literally just took everything out of the suitcase just now, so I figured that this was just easier to bring it all like this. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So let's just pack this up. Should be super quick. It's not a ton of stuff by any means. So here we go. I can't think straight right now, baby, but you should know that that don't faze me. 'Cause I know we'll be alright when I'm with you. When I'm with you. Alright, I've got just about all of my clothes packed in my suitcase. I have my outfit for tomorrow morning laid out, and then the hat I'm just going to obviously carry. I'm back in what I was actually wearing today. When I started off the vlog, I was in a filming outfit, but this is what I wore today. Cute little black set from Princess Polly. But anyways, the last thing that I have to do is pack up my toiletries, and I wanted to sit down and kind of talk about it because it's the biggest difference for me when traveling somewhere like Charleston, Nashville, Chicago, like when I'm going on these like brand kind of trips, I guess, like content kind of trips versus a beach trip, like vacation, relaxing with my family, is what I bring toiletry wise. So this is the little like toiletry holder that I use. I've had this for years. When I first started working with Travelon, like my first year of blogging, they sent this over. I don't even think they carry it anymore, but it fits everything. As you can tell, I've got a shampoo in here, a conditioner, I've got like a little body wash, I've got a little mini dry shampoo, I've got toothpaste, I've got deodorant, things like that. But I really have a different kind of like care routine, I guess, when I go to the beach. So I'm doing things a little bit differently, starting off with my new Formulate. So today's video is actually sponsored by Formulate, so a big thank you to them. If you haven't heard of them, Formulate is basically a custom hair care company. So for me, when I go to the beach, I bring full bottles of shampoo and conditioner, no matter if I'm going for 3 days or a week, because I wash my hair every single day when I'm there. My hair gets really salty. I'm someone who likes to lay in the sand, to like go in the water. Like I always come home super sandy and just kind of gross, so I wash my hair every day. I know that sometimes it's a little drying, but thankfully I like customize my Formulate specifically for like beach hair, I guess. So what you do is you go onto their website and you sign up, you take their little like quiz, and it asks you a bunch of different questions on your hair type. So it will give you this piece of paper when you order it, and as you can tell, this is the for you. So this is you. I have blonde hair, I have fine hair, my hair is dry, it's wavy, it's shoulder length, and it is not sensitive in the scalp area. I don't get dandruff or anything like that. And I asked for 5 areas that I am looking to improve upon / that are really important to me. So hydration, color protection, deep conditioning, anti-frizz, and thermal protection are what I selected. So when I spend 10 hours straight outside, my hair gets really dry, it gets really frizzy, and I obviously want to protect my hair against all the UVs. So this shampoo and conditioner, they then take those needs and wants and they formulate it into a shampoo and conditioner that's customized for me. I have been using it for about a week now, but I will be bringing it to the beach with me, and I got the peach mango scent. You can pick the scent that you want. I wanted something super tropical-y, so I love these. They're sulfate free, paraben free, and they come in these little 8-ounce shampoo and conditioner bottles, and I'm actually doing a giveaway with them. So if you click the link down below, you guys can enter for a chance to win your own custom shampoo and conditioner. You will take the quiz and you will get this catered towards your hair care, which I think is so awesome. And you know, if you have problematic hair like me that doesn't grow super fast, then hopefully this will help keep your locks healthy, tamed, and you know, in a step in the right direction. So I will be bringing both bottles with me. Typically I'll just grab like a clear plastic Ziploc bag to put everything in rather than traveling with this when I go to the beach. And then I will bring a full bottle of aloe. I tan super easily. I really don't have any issues burning. My key to a good tan is not only good genetics, like obviously I just have family that tans super easily. I am Italian and Irish. So I get good color that way, but is sunscreen. I love the Neutrogena Hydro Boost sunscreen. It's really awesome. That's what I use on my body most times. And then I also just got this new sunscreen from Hero Cosmetics. That's for your face. So I am gonna bring this because I hear that this is supposed to not make your face break out, which I really like. And then I'm bringing this. This is the Force Shield Super Fuel Serum Stick, and it's just like basically moisturizer in a little stick, and I like this for my face when my face gets super dry. So I'm bringing that, and then of course my little pot of Blistex that has the SPF in it. Those are like key essentials for me. I really don't wear too much makeup when I'm at the beach. I'll bring probably my e.l.f. CC cream, an eyebrow pencil, and mascara. That's it. I really don't like to wear a ton of makeup while I'm there. I like to let my skin breathe. I like my body to relax, my hair to relax, everything to relax, including me. So that is what I'm going to pack up toiletry wise, but besides that, I think I am good to go. Over here, I do want to grab a couple like last minute things, but be sure to check out Formulate. I will leave that link for you guys to enter down below. Like I said, they are super awesome, and I've really been enjoying my shampoo and conditioner so far, so I'm excited to bring it to the beach and see how it does. And I'm really excited about the Thermacare because I do have obviously blonde hair, so my scalp tends to get a lot of sun, hence why we're also bringing the hat. Anyways, oh, that reminds me. I love to read magazines on the beach, and I've been stockpiling all my Cosmopolitans for when I go to the beach, so I am going to bring these. I have a couple in here. I literally just keep them like in my nightstand. My mom like brings them up every week and puts them and is like, when are you ever going to read these? And I'm like, I saved them specifically for this. So another beach, like I remember back in the day filming essentials videos, and it'd be like a 17 magazine. It's still an essential for me, even at 20 years old. Okay. And then I had just a couple of things in this front pocket from my trip to Chicago that I'll be leaving in here. This is what I like to put on after I put aloe on. So what I'll do is after a beach day, I'll shower, then I'll do aloe, then I'll do a really thick layer of the Cetaphil body lotion. It's great. It's really buildable, like really keeps your skin moisturized. And then I usually never use heat on my hair at the beach, but if I do, I will use my crimper. I just brought a bunch of claw clips and stuff because I like to keep it up most days, or throw it into space buns, something like that. So I need to grab a couple of hair ties as well, but I am just going to throw the aloe and that sunscreen in here. And zip that up. My suitcase is getting so dirty. If you guys have luggage recommendations, leave them down below. The very last thing on my packing list always are my electronics. So I'm gonna charge my computer overnight and bring it. They do not have Wi-Fi at the house, so I will not be like uploading any videos or that kind of stuff, but I do have a lot of work that I want to get done in the car, editing, writing blog posts, so I'm going to bring my computer. However, I want this to be a pretty work-free kind of week. I'm also bringing my vlog camera charger, and then this is is a converter, like it's an adapter for my computer, just because I do have the newer Mac that you can't plug a memory card into. So I bring this just in case. I don't think I'll need it, but just in case, I like to bring it. I'm charging up my AirPods now because they are dead, because I literally used all of the juice on the plane the other day. My little AirPods charger is from, the little case is from Romwe. And then I decided last minute to swap out my straw bag for this one. I was gonna bring that little guy, and I like the shape of it better, but this one actually fits more. This one fits a towel in it, and I like to use this as a beach bag. So I've just got a couple of claw clips. I've got a couple of pairs of sunglasses, and then some sunscreen in here. Nothing super crazy, but I'm gonna use this as my beach bag and my purse, so I'll end up putting my computer and stuff in here in the morning. I am thinking that that's everything. I feel good. I've got everything I need. It is about 10 o'clock right now. We're leaving at 4 in the morning. I've got quite a few things that I still need to tackle before going to bed, so I'm gonna end this vlog off here. I know this was super short, not even a vlog. It was just a little mini pack with me. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I am bringing. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, because that's gonna be where I post all of the photos, stuff like that. They'll also be up on the blog a little bit later. And then make sure you click that link down below to enter the Formulate giveaway. Even if you enter, you'll get $5 off, but the winner will win a shampoo and conditioner set for themselves. I'm really excited about it. I hope you guys are too. And yeah, that's gonna be all. Love you guys, and I will talk to you in my next video. Peace out.